What is fiber optics? Simply put, fiber optics sends information coded in a beam of light down a glass or plastic pipe. Fiber optics was first developed to allow the doctors to examine the inside of human body without having to cut it open in the 1950s. But starting from 1960s, engineers have used the fiber optics technology to transmit the telephone calls at the speed of light, allowing us to communicate with one another conveniently even at a distance. A fiber optic cable consists of extremely thin strands of glass or plastic known as optical fibers. Each cable carries a range of 2 strands to several hundred strands. Each strand is really thin, and they are 10 times thinner than a strand of human hair and carries 20,500 telephone calls. So how does fiber optics work? Light travels down a fiber optic cable by bouncing repeatedly off the walls. Now many people think that when a beam of light is traveling in a clear glass pipe, the light will travel all of the pipe as we think that it would travel in a straight line. However, this is not true if the angle at which the light is hitting the glass is less than 42 degrees. When that happens, the light is reflected, the glass acting as a mirror. This is the main phenomenon behind the transport of information in a fiber optic cable called total internal reflection. On top of that, the structure of the fiber optic cable keeps the light stay in the pipe. The middle part of the cable is called the core, where the light travels, and surrounding this light path, there is an outer layer of glass called cladding. Since both of them are made out of different glass, they share different refractive index. Core has higher refractive index than cladding, hence allowing the light signals to be kept inside the core.